Let's welcome in Girish Kulkarni, CEO at Star Union Dai-ichi Life Insurance. He's now joining us live. Girish, thank you so much for taking out time for us. Could you just first tell us the trends in the life insurance sector? When we look at the life insurance sector, growth in the last 8 months have been pretty strong. Not that the growth in August was not that strong, but do you believe that one should just treat that number as a one-off with 11-12% growth number?
Yes, hi Prashant. Thanks for inviting me. I think we should take August as an outlier. I'm not too much worried about a slight drop in August. If you ask me, there are intelligent reasons like domestic savings going down, etc., etc. But from a very ground level perspective, August also had hardly 15 days of active work, and that also impacted our collections as an industry. 4 important states like Maharashtra, South, part of North have seen some very huge disturbance due to rains, and that also impacted this small drop, but I'm not too much worried about it. I think you will see a rebound in September.
If August was just an aberration, what is the kind of rebound or a trend that you're expecting going forward? September onwards, yes, a growth, but what is the kind of average run rate one can expect for the rest of the year?
I'm very bullish about this. I will expect 20% plus for private, Karunya. I'm very bullish about it.
Plus, there was also, some major launches that came in from LIC in the previous month. So, that could have just taken away, a significant amount of growth money from the private players, and that also could act as a one-off. One of their immediate annuity product has done exceedingly well, but I think we should not read too much into this. Is what I feel. I personally feel that it's a small blip, and which will get corrected in September. So, could you just talk to us about the penetration level? How would you look at it? Which cities, which states are you looking at active growth? And plus, we were just looking at the list of the number of insurance players. There are about 25 plus private insurance players. Do you expect consolidation?
Let me start with the GDP penetration. Yes, we are at 2.7576%, lower than the world average of 3.3, 3.35. And far lower than the developed economies like Japan or Singapore. Even Thailand is ahead of us. So there is a need to get that up. Awareness is a major hindrance, and that probably needs to be increased. Life insurance needs to upstream itself on the customer recall canvas. A large amount of that work is being done, and I'm very hopeful about the future. Now, your second question was, where will this growth come from? I'm very optimistic about middle and bottom of the pyramid. A large amount of this growth will be driven by middle and bottom of the pyramid. As your digital-led mobility increases, I think middle and bottom of the pyramid will start contributing very strongly. So this growth will be led by those 600 districts, 600 plus district towns, and even the large villages within those districts. That's where the next phase of growth should come from. Is what I believe in. One important point I would like to mention here is on awareness. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana has done a significant work. If you ask me, the awareness level as on today, particularly in middle and bottom of the pyramid, is relatively much higher because of Pradhan Mantri Yojana on life insurance. And I think this is the biggest innovation in life insurance.
Okay. All right, Mr. Kulkarni, thank you so much for chatting with us and helping us identify the trend and what to expect in the coming forwards as well when it comes to the growth from private insurance players.